got it all finished up. Final roof. And the headliner, just like factory, all new visors, dome light, sail panels. Seats are all torn down with all the upholstery off. We're not using that one, but the customer's gonna take this back and get them all cleaned up and painted, powder coated. Bring them back for me to put the covers on. Check it out. Just gotta put all the trim on yet. Glass, obviously. All finished up, ready to go back to the customer. Thanks for watching.